installations around here from the water. Anyway, there's something on top. Oh, sorry, that's just a reflection of so much water on the roof. Now, is there an installation on this corner? Probably not. I missed the frogs, the leaping frogs of the previous year. So keep on looking and looking and looking. And are there? Ooh, there's a couple of bright lights. I can see there's the bridge in the distance. But I think most of the installations this year are around Barangaroo headland, Barangaroo Point. Is that the entrance to the metro? Okay, we shall see if there's any lights along the point, because that's usually a good indicator. Okay, there's some lightning, flashes of lightning there. But here, one of the coves here, you can see stuff. But look, let me see if I can zoom in. Okay, there's some. I don't know what they are. But here, look, there's some lightning action happening here. So that must be one of the installations around Barangaroo. And here's another one. Barangaroo headland is a great venue for all these big art installations anyway. There's the space there, so to speak. And there we go. Just right there at the point. And there's some on the hill there as well. And then you can see the bridge brightly lit up. So pretty. Very pretty. Although I don't know what's happening on the northern side of the bridge. The LEDs aren't lighting up as much. There you go. Oh, here we go. There's some light action there, but yeah, have a look at all those lights there at the bottom of that arch on the northern side. So this is nice. We're stopping because we're passing Goat Island. So here's to night one. If you really know, I keep saying night one, but you do see a lot of things from the water. And that's it. And there's Goat Island there. I think once we pass the island, we can see a bit of the bridge as well. So we can see it there. It's becoming blurry now. Too blurry. So just passing Goat Island there, and then you can see the harbour bridge in the distance. The lights lit up there. Such a stark contrast. There she is, there's the bridge.